everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode in Google Chat. If you need to temporarily silence notifications while focusing on work, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Active Status button. As you can see, a menu will appear with several status options. Click Do Not Disturb. Next, choose how long you want Do Not Disturb mode to remain active. You can select one of the preset durations or set a custom time that fits your schedule. Once enabled, Google Chat will pause notifications during that period, helping you stay focused without interruptions. And that's it. Thanks for watching.